Why sugar is making you sick and how to fix it. Sugar has quietly become one of the biggest health threats of our time. In the United States, the average person consumes nearly 80 pounds of sugar every year, much more than the body actually needs. While sugar tastes sweet and gives a quick burst of energy, too much of it can harm almost every part of your body. From weight gain and diabetes to heart problems and even brain fog, sugar is silently making millions of people sick. The good news: by understanding why sugar is dangerous and how to reduce it, you can take control of your health and feel better than ever. The hidden dangers of sugar. 1. Sugar and weight gain. Sugar is high in calories, but offers almost no nutritional value. Drinks like soda, sweetened coffee, and packaged juices flood your body with empty calories. Since liquid sugar doesn't make you feel full, you often end up eating more food later. Over time, this leads to unwanted weight gain and belly fat. 2. Sugar and diabetes. Too much sugar raises your blood glucose levels. Your pancreas works hard to release insulin and control it, but constant overload eventually leads to insulin resistance. This is a major cause of type 2 diabetes, which is rising alarmingly fast in the USA, according to the CDC. More than 38 million Americans already have diabetes, and millions more are pre-diabetic. 3. Sugar and heart disease. Excess sugar increases triglycerides, raises blood pressure, and promotes inflammation. All of these factors damage your arteries and increase the risk of heart disease, the #1 cause of death in America. Research shows that people who get more than 20% of their daily calories from sugar have a much higher risk of dying from heart-related problems. 4. Sugar and your liver. Your liver processes sugar, much like alcohol. When you consume too much, the liver stores it as fat. Over time, this can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a silent but dangerous condition now affecting millions worldwide. 5. Sugar and mental health. It's not just your body. Sugar also affects your mind. A diet high in sugar has been linked to anxiety, depression, and poor memory. That's because sugar causes spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can trigger mood swings and brain fog. Hidden sources of sugar. Many people think they don't eat much sugar because they avoid candy or desserts. But sugar is hiding in everyday foods, like breakfast cereals, yogurt, and flavored milk, bread and pasta sauces, energy bars and sports drinks, ketchup, dressings, and condiments. These hidden sugars are easy to miss but add up quickly. Even foods marketed as healthy often contain large amounts of added sugar. How to know if sugar is making you sick? Watch out for these warning signs that you may be eating too much sugar. Constant fatigue and low energy, frequent cravings for sweets or carbs, sudden mood swings or irritability, weight gain, especially around the belly, skin problems like acne or premature aging, trouble focusing or memory issues. If you notice these symptoms, sugar could be playing a bigger role than you think. How to fix it? Simple solutions. The good news is you don't have to quit sugar completely to see benefits. Small, consistent changes can improve your health within weeks. 1. Cut sugary drinks first. Sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened coffees are the biggest sugar bombs. Replacing them with water, sparkling water, or unsweetened tea can dramatically lower your sugar intake. 2. Read food labels. Check the added sugars line on nutrition labels. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 25 grams 6 teaspoons for women and 36 grams 9 teaspoons for men per day. Many snacks and drinks contain more than that in a single serving. 3. Choose whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and lean proteins. Give your body natural energy without added sugar. Whole fruits do contain sugar, but they also come with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help your body process it safely. 4. Eat more protein and healthy fats. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, avocado, and nuts help keep you full for longer, reducing sugar cravings throughout the day. 5. Manage stress and sleep. Cravings often hit when you're stressed or tired. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and makes you reach for sugary snacks. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep and try stress relief techniques like meditation, walking, or deep breathing. 6. Take it step by step. If you're used to eating a lot of sugar, don't try to cut it all at once. Start by reducing soda, then move on to desserts, and finally tackle hidden sugars in processed foods. This makes the change sustainable. Benefits of reducing sugar within just a few weeks of lowering sugar. Most people notice more energy throughout the day, better focus, and reduced brain fog. Weight loss without extreme dieting, healthier skin with fewer breakouts, lower risk of diabetes, heart disease, and liver problems over the long term. Cutting back on sugar can add years to your life and make you feel younger, healthier, and stronger. Final thoughts: sugar may taste sweet, but the health consequences are bitter. From diabetes to heart problems and even mental health struggles, too much sugar is silently making millions of people sick. The good news is, you're not powerless by cutting out sugary drinks, choosing whole foods, and being mindful of hidden sugars. You can reclaim your health. Remember, you don't have to give up sugar completely, but you do need to control it. your body will thank you with more energy, better focus, and a longer, healthier life.